Hey, what's up guys? I'm going to be teaching you how to make vermicelli beef noodle soup. In Lao, this is called Khao Poon Nam Sin, but with a little twist. We're going to make it in an Instapot. You know, our life gets so busy nowadays. Time is so hard to cook. And with Lao food, is a lot of prepping. In the Instapot, add in your lemongrass, Kaffir Lime Leaves, and Galangal. Next, add in your choice of meat. Today I'm using beef shank, short ribs, and tendon. Next, add in your fish sauce and chicken bouillon. Next, we're gonna pressure cook this for an hour and 30 minutes. This used to take me an entire day to make this. Can you believe that? Look at the tendon. The meat just falls off his bone. Wow, look at that. Slice this to bite-sized pieces and set it aside for later use. Next, on high heat, add oil to pot. Next, saute your bamboo and tomatoes using red curry paste, followed by adding your shrimp paste and paprika for color. Lastly, add in your broth and you're done. Serve with vermicelli noodle and your choice of garnishments. Follow for more.